Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. This matters because the dash has live circuits. Next, use plastic trim tools to release the surrounding panels. Work the clips slowly so you don't break them. Once the trim is clear, locate and remove the cluster's retaining screws, then ease the cluster forward just enough to access the wiring harnesses behind it. Make sure to note connector positions so reassembly is straightforward. With the cluster free, you'll inspect the lighting components. Toyota Corollas commonly use small wedge bulbs or fixed LED boards, and knowing which you have determines the removal method. For bulbs, twist the socket counterclockwise and pull straight out. For LED boards, remove the retaining screws and gently unclip the board. Replace with matching voltage and size parts to keep color and brightness consistent. Once replaced, reconnect the harnesses and seat the cluster back into. Reinstall the cluster by hand-threading the retaining bolts and reconnecting every harness. This avoids cross-thread damage. After reinstalling the trim, reconnect the battery and test the dash lights at different dimmer settings so you confirm even illumination and proper warning lamp operation. If a light still fails, check related fuses and press each connector to ensure seating. A blown fuse or loose pin is the most common culprit. If necessary, swap in a known good bulb or board.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.